Hey guys, I'm back with another easiest binary option strategy that can change your binary trading career forever. So watch this video till the end. And you can literally use this strategy right after watching this video. It is as simple as that much, okay? But as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you use, either learning from me or from some other paid course, always test that strategy properly in your demo account. And if you think it is working for you again and again, then only use that in your real account. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So I'll show you everything from the beginning. Okay, this is the exact setup that we are going to use. We are going to use 3 moving average, and in case if you are new, then uh, your binary options program may show chart like this. Okay, but in case if you don't have an account on pocket option, I'm going to show you everything inside pocket option. And if you don't have an account on pocket option, then I'll make sure to put a link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account on pocket option, and you'll be eligible to get huge amount of deposit bonus. Not only that much, you'll keep on receiving deposit bonuses in upcoming days inside this platform if you use that link. Okay, so now without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So this might your binary options broker, whichever you are using, might look like this. Okay, and firstly select the currency pair whichever you want to choose. Okay, just select it, and then in here just don't select this line, just select this candles. Okay, Japanese candle, and make sure to make it 1 minute M1. So once you do this much, then decide the amount that you want to invest. In case if you don't know how to invest with by using proper money management, then what I will do is I'll give a video link in the description of YouTube video where I have shown you my money management strategy that is highly effective. You can watch that too. Okay, in case of using money management. And then we will be trading in 1 minute time frame. So you can just select M1, or you may select, you can increase this time, okay, to 2 minute, whatever you want to use you can use. Okay, but I would suggest you to use either 1 minute time frame or 2 minute time frame. Just test this thing properly in your demo account and then use that exact time in your real account too. So now once everything is done, then simply click here to use the moving average. So just select moving average. Okay, and then click on this pencil icon, and then make this period 50, and then change its color to yellow, and then click on save. So now what this moving average does is it will show you the trend exactly where the market is going, either it is going up or down. It will show you clearly. Okay, so that you don't need to keep on looking properly where the trend is or that kind of thing. You can easily see with the help of this moving average. Now second moving average you need to use, and again click on this pencil icon and make this period 6. Okay, and then make its color green. However, here already it is green, so just select save. Okay, so it's fine. Now it's time for you to use third moving average. Just click on here and click on moving average, and then again go here and click on this pencil icon and make this period 14, 1 for 14. Okay, and then in color just change it to pink, and then click on save. So once you have done this much, now we will talk about our exact strategy that will help you to make profitable trades in upcoming days. So as I have clearly told you, this yellow line is for trend, okay, where the market is going. So for example, whenever the market is saying it is going up, then we'll only make trade on higher. Okay, the exact place where you will take this trade, I will explain that. And again, whenever the yellow line is showing the market is going down, then we'll only take lower trade. Okay, so now let's go here. So here you can see from here market have started to go up. Now exact place where you will make this trade. Okay, always this green line should cross this pink line and go above. Okay, whenever you see this, then you can make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so first thing, yellow line should show you it is moving up, and then green line should cross the pink line, and you should make trade either in 1 minute or 2 minute. Check that in your demo account properly. Okay, and then always listen, pink line or green line should be above the pink line. Okay, so now here we'll see from here it have started the downtrend, right? Now whenever this green line crosses the pink line, okay, pink line, and it goes down, there is the place where you need to click on lower and make trade. Okay, this type of place. Similarly here, let's see here, so it have started to move up. So here you can see a crossover have happened, green line is going above. Now you can make trade by clicking on higher at exactly at this place, okay, and most probably your trade is going to be right. And in downward I have already explained. Now if you are confused, then you can rewatch this video, okay, or if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section below.